In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Microsoft Teams background. Whether you're attending a formal business meeting or catching up with friends and family, customizing your video background can add a touch of personality or professionalism to your calls. First things first, let's get you signed into Microsoft Teams. Head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, click on the Sign In button and log in using your account credentials. This will take you directly to the Teams dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the chat section. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on Chat. This is where all your conversations are stored, making it easy for you to find the one you're looking for. Now, let's get into the real action. Find the chat you want to video call. Once you've opened the chat, look towards the top right of the screen. You'll see an option for a video call. Click on it to start the call. As the call starts, you might notice that your environment isn't as neat as you'd like, or you just want to spice up your video background. No worries, Microsoft Teams has got you covered. While in the call, click on the More option. It usually appears as 3 dots or an ellipsis. After clicking on More, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Video Effects and Settings. This takes you to a new window where you can adjust various video settings to enhance your call experience. Now, for the fun part. Within the Video Effects and Settings window, you'll find the Video Effects option. Clicking this will reveal a selection of backgrounds to choose from. Microsoft Teams provides a variety of backgrounds, from professional office settings to more relaxed scenes. Feel free to explore and choose one that suits your mood or meeting theme. Lastly, once you've found the perfect background, simply select it and then click Save. Your new background will automatically be applied to your video in the call. It's that easy. A few tips to enhance your experience. Make sure you're in a well-lit room to ensure your background looks as good as possible. And don't forget, you can even upload custom backgrounds if you want something truly unique. This feature not only adds a layer of privacy, but also allows you to express yourself in new and interesting ways. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to add a Microsoft Teams background to your video calls. Customizing your video background is a quick and easy way to make your calls more engaging and personal. Whether for work or play, take advantage of this feature to enhance your virtual presence. Happy video calling.